Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Nest Hub Max, quick install step by step clearly. To set up your Google Nest Hub Max, begin by unboxing the device. Place the Nest Hub Max on a stable surface. Connect the power adapter to the device and plug it into a wall outlet. Wait for the device to power on. Once the screen lights up, select your preferred language. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. After connecting to Wi-Fi, you'll be guided to link your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one during this step. Follow the prompts to complete the account linking process. Once your account is linked, the device will prompt you to adjust your display settings. Position the Nest Hub Max at a comfortable viewing angle. The device will then ask you to enable voice match for personalized results. Follow the instructions to teach the device your voice. Next, you may want to set up your preferred streaming services. Choose the services you want to link, such as YouTube, Spotify, or Netflix. After linking, you can personalize your home screen with photos. Select your preferred photo album or Google Photos to use as a backdrop. Complete the setup by reviewing your settings and preferences. Once everything is configured, the device will confirm it's ready to use. Now, you can start exploring features like video calls, smart home control, and voice commands. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.